everyone, this is Lemmy Nadar, Technical Coordinator, PAK Automotive Trainers and Professionals. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about smart diagnostics. First time ever in Pakistan, in this world of technology, in this era of technology, PAK Automotive has started vehicle smart diagnostics. What is smart diagnostics? If there are continuously problems occurring in your car and you cannot diagnose the problem, you can get professional assistance from PAK Automotive professionals. जब हम बात करें कि आपकी गाड़ी में कोई मसले आ रहे हैं या आपकी गाड़ी में कोई प्रॉब्लम डायग्नोज नहीं हो सक रही, या आप ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे आपको बहुत मसला हो रहा है मैकेनिक से कॉन्टैक्ट, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट प्रोफेशनल्स एंड ऑथेंटिक पर्सन दैट इज PAK Automotive professionals and get professional assistance of smart diagnostics. It is a really convenient way. You should avail this opportunity. I, as a professional, recommend you to avail this opportunity because it's a very convenient way to get a smart diagnostics and a professional diagnostics. That's all. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.